How to edit videos in TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for TikTok Symphony Creative Center, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first link you see there. And now in this particular interface, make sure that you are signed in to your TikTok Symphony Creative Studio, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now once signed in, tap on the video editor option you see there on the left side of your screen and tap on it. And in this particular interface, you will be able to make changes to your video. You can make changes to your existing uploaded videos, or you can also tap on the plus icon you see here and upload a brand new video in order to make changes to it. So tap on the plus icon and then go ahead and choose the video or the photo that you want to edit and wait for it to be processed. Once processed, simply tap on that particular video that you want to make changes in, and once the video has been finalized, you can then go ahead and add in your assets. You can then add your audio, you can add in voiceovers to your video or photo, or you can add in captions and add in avatars such as shown on the screen, or you can also go ahead and add in text, effects, or stickers. Simply go ahead and tap on each particular aspect and then make the required changes. And once you are done making the required changes, you can also adjust the speed of your video, and you can also add in mask if required. Finally, once you are done making the required changes, tap on the export button on top of your screen, and with this, your video or the photo that you just made changes in will be processed for being downloaded. So simply wait for the download to complete, and with this, the video that you just edited will be added to your device. So this was about how you can edit videos in TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.